How to apply for PNC credit card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about applying for the PNC credit card. So let's get started. To start your online application, open your browser and go to pnc.com, and once on the website, click on the Products and the Services tab. Click the Credit Cards option from the drop-down menu. From the banking section, scroll down to the page to compare the credit card benefits and the fees, and choose one that suits your needs. You can also use the Compare Cards button to see the features of the different cards side by side. After selecting the card, click on the Apply Now button that is highlighted in blue color, and this will take you to the application form. If you're a PNC online banking user, click on the Yes or No check boxes to indicate your status and click on Continue. For online banking users, some fields will be automatically filled in, and non-users will need to complete the fields manually. In addition to your personal and contact information, you have your social security number, monthly housing payments, and total annual income ready. After entering your details, follow the on-screen instructions to review your information and agree to the PNC's terms and conditions to finalize your application. So that's it. Applying for a PNC credit card is simple. Thanks for watching and see you next time.